what kind of tea you have, mommy?
Ginger mint coffee chocolate.
Ginger mint coffee. Where you drink? You drink tea? You don't drink tea? You need tea in your life, man.
What should you have? Ginger mint coffee? Let me try the mint.
What you want, ginger?
Yeah, man, ginger and mint. Mint is a dog. Yeah, man.
Any sugar?
No sugar for me. Will you want sugar?
Not a lot, not a lot.
No sugar in the other one. Yeah.
1 spoon.
Yeah, man, that's alright.
So, viewers and subscribers, talk to me. What are these? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you think these are? If you had guessed yam, you'll be correct. And so Manchester is famous or popular for yam. Another thing it's popular for is carrot and sweet potato. Many farmers cultivate yam, carrot and sweet potato in Manchester. Yes, subscribers and viewers, time for another quiz. What is this? What is it used for? Comment in the comment section, let us know. So this is a soursop tree. Let me see if I can find a soursop and show you. So this fruit is called a soursop. It is used to make a soursop juice, or it can be eaten as is. To see how to make soursop juice, click the link in the top right hand corner of this video. Now it's time for some cricket.
See them over there again.
We out back and we lick you over, push it. Oh! Oh! You have the Batman running. He's running, man.
Alright.
Oh, running again!
That's after everything.
Where are you? Let me see where you are.
That's after everything.
Come on, get it now, man. Oh!
Mel, I have to here.
Come on, man, get him. Oh! Wow.
Shots.
Oh. Get this one, Moshe.
Don't you do that?
On the board. They are feeling like your favorite sport. Ah.
Well, go on the Cyrus. Cyrus the virus. Catch him!
Oh!
Him a run.
Come on. Get him up, get him up.
There, man.
What go on, Mas? Back side.
Move, flow.
What? We see that out already, you know? Back on.
Go sit down. How is that? May I tell you?
After all that cricket, now it's time to make some deep fried chicken with wood fire. One thing about country life is that the food always tastes better because most times they use wood fire. So the flavor from the wood will be incorporated into the meal. For the full video of this meal, click the link in the top right corner. Yes, my people, we've come to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell, leave a like, comment and share. Thank you.